All right, heading to the bus.
Yo, it's kind of
right. We're coming into DCA.
Girls, in 1923, Walt Disney arrived in California.
Man, the lines are like nothing right now. Look at this crowd. So we're going to the tower.
And presto.
Waiting for.
The rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll.
We going to Soarin', I think.
Please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. The smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. That's worked out.
Just realized that my camera had the stick in the way, so you might see that in the footage. We'll see if I keep it or not, but we're going back to Disney. Look at these maps, they're different.
Look at that.
Like, feel them.
Look how large that is.
Wow, why are they so different?
Because they have like little things.
There's a horse! Alright, so we're going to Space Mountain.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. I like that one. That one's just done.
Oh, the rockets are back.
Oh.
Hold on to it. So that's $1.
For all pilots, these missions can feel like a high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark.
Whoa, back up, brother.
He said, you know what sounds good right now, Kyle? A breakfast burrito. It's Mr. Beast.
What's up, guys?
Buy merch.
Yo, buy my merch. Look down in the bio. We're doing a 24-hour challenge in Disneyland right now.
Yeah, all day.
All day. We're gonna ride this ride right over here.
Winner gets $10,000.
Yeah. Whoever can ride the Pirates of the Caribbean the longest will win. Okay?
The most amount of times.
Yeah.
So we just left Pirates never going to Indiana. Grove photo.
Bro. I like spin the wheel. You can lift.
You can barely see it.
We interrupt this program to bring you this special report.
Oh my god!
Mr. Beast challenge.
24-hour challenge, Disneyland. I've heard pretzel apparently. So these are the manses that are stopping everyone from going into Star Wars land. Status update, it's getting a little warmer outside. We got a Mother International habitat, smoking with cigars and cigarettes. We got there's Kyle. Way back. Four.
When was it ever?
Stands now for security buyers stand.
We like never come this way.
Abrocharse el cinturón de seguridad y están listos.
Slow down. You're not racing yet.
Is on this planet.
Champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best. Now you look like a real race car.
Oh, dang.
Takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm here to cruise you.
Now you have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Hold tight around the turn.
So, you know the conversation. We're going back to Disneyland. They're going to Star Tours, I think. Man, is this Galaxy's Edge?
1000s are piloted by the very best Class 3 droids. the most confident and confident pilot you'll ever meet.
Welcome aboard.
I love security, especially the part where I catch humans doing things they shouldn't.
When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin.
What, you ride Star Tours over?
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Whoa.
Personal belongings to exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours.
Goodbye. Wow.
Man, it's a duck.
It's a duck. Kyle, look, it's a duck. I still don't know it's something about when
The rest of you, concentrate on those robots. You'll Planet Z. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission. It's been an honor serving with you. Check the status board to determine your rank. Don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Ranger.
Please remain seated and your voyage to the Pirates of the Caribbean will continue momentarily.
I feel like Pirates is broken.
Hey, sending him to Davy Jones. It's a rumble one.
Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look on Captain Jack Sparrow's face when he hears tell 'tis only me what's got the goods. Keep still.